Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Vivint app to manage doorbell recordings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Vivint app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open either the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. In the search bar, type Vivint. Locate the Vivint Smart Home app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Check the app's information to ensure it's the official Vivint app. Click the Download or Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, find the Vivint app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you're a new user, select Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your email and create a secure password. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. After signing in, grant any necessary permissions for the app to function properly. Navigate to the doorbell camera section within the app. Here, you can view and manage your doorbell recordings. Familiarize yourself with the features available for playback and download. Now you're ready to effectively manage your doorbell recordings through the Vivint app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.